Hi, Germany is the leading market for on- and offshore wind energy in Europe, with the largest installed capacity, dynamic expansion and strong political commitment. As a key hub for wind turbine production and components, Germany plays a central role in advancing the wind industry. VDMA Power Systems works closely with its members on political advocacy, technological development and innovation to strengthen the resilience of the wind industry in Germany and across Europe. As a long-standing partner of WindEurope, VDMA Power Systems is strongly committed to advancing these priorities on behalf of manufacturers, suppliers, developers and operators in Germany and beyond.